Keep it simple. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for all the chocolate and mint lovers out there. We're going to make some delicious mint chip brownies. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we'll need for this recipe. 1 cup unsalted butter, 2 cups granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 cup mint chocolate chips. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan and set it aside. Step 2. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt the butter. Add the sugar and stir until well combined. Step 3. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, stirring until just combined. Step 5. Fold in the mint chocolate chips, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the batter. Step 6. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and spread it out evenly. Step 7. Bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Step 8. Remove from the oven and allow the brownies to cool completely in the pan before cutting them into squares. Now, it's time to exercise our patience and let these heavenly brownies cool down. Trust me, the wait will be worth it. Once the brownies have cooled completely, it's time to cut them into squares. And voila! Our delicious mint chip brownies are ready to be devoured. Look at that fudgy goodness with those delightful mint chocolate chips. I hope you enjoyed this simple and mouth-watering recipe. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turns out for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.